Do Italian pronouns scare you? Do you have nightmares of horrible pronouns chasing you? Keep watching. We'll crack the code for you. Ciao, sono Anna e questo è My Italian Circle. Many learners can't make head or tail of Italian pronouns. There are so many of them, and they often look the same. In these short videos, I give you just a little information at a time, so you don't get overwhelmed and have time to let it sink in. As every week, you will find additional content and exercises on our Patreon page. In our previous lesson, we looked at direct object pronouns, what they are and where to place them in a sentence. If you missed it, it's here. Today we learn how to choose between the two forms of a pronoun, stressed or unstressed. Vediamo insieme. We already know that there are two sets of direct object pronouns, stressed and unstressed. In Italian they are called tonici or forti, strong, and atoni or deboli, weak. The unstressed form, weak pronouns, is the most common one. But then, when should we use the stressed form? Well, as the name implies, strong pronouns are used to express emphasis and contrast. Sandra, ti ho vista ieri al lago. Ti is an unstressed pronoun, and the sentence simply means, Sandra, I saw you at the lake. Here is the same sentence with a stressed pronoun. Sandra, ho visto te al lago. The meaning is the same, but what I really mean is that I saw you, Sandra, and not someone else. Let's see the sentence in a context. Sandra, ti ho vista ieri al lago, ma non dovevi lavorare?
Ieri non sono andata al lago, ti sbagli. Hai visto mia cugina, non hai visto me.
Sandra, ho visto te al lago, non tua cugina. There are two stressed pronouns here, me and te. Sandra says, hai visto mia cugina, non hai visto me. The pronoun me is used to emphasize that contrast. Sandra could also say, hai visto mia cugina, non me. The pronoun me cannot be used in this case because there is no verb. This stressed form of personal pronouns can constitute an entire sentence by itself, but the unstressed form can never stand alone. It needs a verb. For example,
Chi hai visto al lago?
te. In this case, Viola could not answer ti. Unstressed pronouns can't go alone. Lo sapevi? Stressed pronouns follow the verb. We can't put them before it. Ho visto te, and not ho te visto, and not te ho visto. To sum up, put unstressed pronouns, the most common form, before the verb, ti ho visto, and the stressed pronouns, the emphatic form, after the verb, ho visto te. Now a simple exercise. Decide whether the pronouns are correct. Ti ho visto. Ho chiamato te, non lui. Correct. Ho visto loro, non lei. Ci hanno visto mentre parlavamo al mercato. Correct. But what does lo mean in this sentence? The pronoun lo can replace an adjective or a whole sentence. Luca looks dumb, but he is not. Lo refers to the adjective stupido. A che ora inizia il film? Non lo so. Lo refers to the whole sentence. I don't know when the film starts. So the pronoun law can be very powerful, even if it is a weak, unstressed pronoun. Finally, stressed pronouns can also follow a preposition and become indirect pronouns. Ho mandato dei fiori a te, non a lei. I sent some flowers to you, not to her. This is actually a preview of a future lesson where we look at indirect object pronouns. For now, let's wrap this up with a final exercise. Let's practice. Translate into Italian. Io posso vedere lei, non te. Ci hanno visto. Hanno visto noi, non Luca e Andrea. Hai letto questo libro? No, non l'ho letto. Tu hai mandato me, non loro. Chi ha mangiato la marmellata? Non lo so. Loro vedono voi, non noi. Ti piacciono queste scarpe? Le vuoi? Siamo arrivati alla fine di questa lezione. Spero che tu l'abbia trovata utile. I hope you found this lesson useful. Let me know in the comments. Scrivilo nei commenti. Patrons, don't forget to download your additional material on Patreon and join our community if you're not a patron yet. Ci vediamo mercoledì prossimo!